Welcome to West Sound Tech. We have just the right program for you. Come on, let's take a look.
In collision repair, your accident is our learning opportunity.
In cosmetology, we learn the cure for bad hair days.
Engineering and design technology, where we use the latest technology to do really cool things.
Here in culinary arts, we can really cook.
Here at Construction Trades, we build our future one cut at a time.
We put the fun in fundamentals of public safety.
And the professional medical careers will lead to a lifelong career in the medical field.
Welding, experience the heat.
Travel and tourism. Let's get out of here.
In early childhood, we learn and teach through play.
In auto tech, we learn to keep your car on the road.
So if you saw something that you're interested in, come in for a visit. We'd love to have you here at West Sound Tech. Your future awaits.